guys. We are starting the vlog quite early today. Today I wanted to film a day in the life of me working from home. I've actually been working from home since about August when we moved here. And I've definitely, you know, at the beginning there was a bit of a learning curve. So I've definitely learned some tips along the way, and I thought that, you know, showing you a day in the life or a vlog of my typical work day would be helpful to some of you who probably are suddenly asked to work from home, you know, during this quarantine situation, or trying to do your own self-isolation, so you're staying at home more and trying to do work while you do. So I thought this would be a good way for me to share the tips that I've learned and for you to kind of see what it's like for someone that works from home all the time. First tip is definitely to wake up earlier than you need to. I know it's very tempting to want to sleep in because you're at home and you don't really need as much time to get ready. I don't start work until 8, but I wake up at 5. I know to some people it's crazy, but I just love having that chunk of the day that's just for myself, and I can do whatever I want with it. I definitely think that having time to yourself at the beginning of the day is going to help you kind of set the tone for the rest of the day so that you're more relaxed and at ease and ready to jump into your work. This time in the morning I do something different every day, to be honest, just whatever I want to do. Some options are journaling, reading, yoga, watching YouTube videos, working on my own YouTube videos. You know, it really is just whatever I want to do, honestly. It's my time and I can do whatever I want. I can take a really long shower. You know, the options are endless. Today I kind of want to start my day with some journaling, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. Next journal is kind of like more of a Bible devotional that I like to do every day. Do you hear that? I need to go check what that was. Okay, I'm back. I might not include this, but just we've had a lot of problems with our plumbing recently in this apartment. I don't know what it is. Havoc is concerned. It's okay, buddy. You guys have before, like, we'll hear this bubbling. We're on the bottom floor of the apartment, so I think like all the sewage stuff just goes to us and it's disgusting. But our AC unit's in the hallway, and that's also where like the water is, I guess. I don't know anything about plumbing. But we'll hear this bubbling, and then it'll start to overflow in our hallway closet, which is annoying. And then it makes the toilet not want to flush. So I don't know what it is. They fixed it in the past, and they said it was just because it was like clogged up with stuff. They said it's because people were using those flushable wipes that aren't really flushable. But they said they fixed it, and that was like, it was like a month ago by now, I think. And now it's doing it again. So that's gonna be fun. Anyway, back to the regularly scheduled program. Okay, the next journal I like to use is like a daily devotional. Again, I don't always do it every day, but it's called Awaken. Now that I'm done with my journaling, let's see, what do I want to do? I think I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos, guys. What do you think, Havoc? See, why wouldn't I want to relax next to this cutie? Oh. Fun fact, I always sneeze after my first sip of coffee. So I still got YouTube videos playing, but I'm going to type up some Instagram captions for some posts that I have planned this week. If you guys aren't already, go ahead and follow my Instagram. I'll link it right here, and I also always put my handle down below. It's the same, it's just Paige's open book on Instagram. Alright, so plumbing situation, not getting better. So I'm gonna have to put in a maintenance request. Okay, it says, if an emergency, please submit online and then call this number. Your girl drinks a lot of water, so I know I'm gonna have to go pee soon. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. You just get a really exciting vlog today. Don't you feel special? All right, we've got water in the hallway now. Why is this happening? Oh, Havoc, no. Oh no, oh no. You guys see that? It's like blue. Okay, hold on. All right, here's the current situation. I had to put towels all along the hallway. And it was starting to come out, so this is where it's leaking from. All that, and it started coming out the side into our living room. So I had to put a towel there, and it's just, it was going all down the hallway. I hope the maintenance people come soon. All right, here's my outfit. It's just a working out outfit, because I'm sure when I get off work, we usually go for a walk or do some kind of exercise, so I just go ahead and put on workout clothes now. That way I'll be ready when I get off work. There are people who think you should get fully ready as if you're going to the office, even though you're working from home. I kind of do it a little bit. I at least change my clothes out of PJs and I put on like a workout outfit, or sometimes I wear jeans. It just depends on the day. But I definitely recommend just changing your clothes. Just don't wear PJs. You can wear anything else but PJs. And I'm not going to put on a full face of makeup. I'll just put on a little concealer, maybe some powder, we'll see. And I'll just brush my hair and do my skincare. So I'll show you guys how I put myself together to work from home. If you want a more detailed get ready with me, check out one of my previous videos. It was just a simple get ready with me. That's basically, I'm actually doing less now than what I did in that video. So if you see that, you'll see everything that I'm talking about. Alright, that's all I do. Just simple mascara, concealer, and powder. That's it. And I'll go put some chapstick on. And I put some dry shampoo in my hair. I was going to shower today, but you know, I got a little busy and sidetracked with the whole flood situation. So I'll just shower after we work out tonight. No big deal. Alright, so now I'm going to eat some breakfast. I don't know what I want though. Let me see what we have. I usually have a protein shake. Do I want that? I kind of want eggs today. All right, while that's cooking, I want to talk about another tip for working from home. You definitely want to set hours for yourself. Now, I work for a company where it's basically like I have an 8 to 5 anyway, so I start work at 8 and then I end my day at 5. And I try my best to stick to that. Obviously, you know, things come up. I might have to start earlier or work later one day here or there, but I try to keep that pretty strict. I still give myself an hour lunch break. I still, you know, get up and walk around every now and then, you know, take like 10-minute breaks a couple times in the day if I can. You know, it's all about just sticking to a schedule, just as if you were in the office. It helps kind of get your brain into work mode. It also allows your brain to stay sane and not feel like you have to work 24/7 just because you're at home, you know? All right, here's the finished breakfast. We've got some turkey bacon, an egg, and some toast with jelly, and then I still have my coffee to finish. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I'm at my desk. Okay, my next tip is to have a workspace that brings you joy and makes you feel ready to get to work. So I've got my planner and all kinds of stuff, and as you can see, I like florals and I love flamingos, so I try to like put little accents of things that make me smile. I know it's cheesy, but it helps. Got everything that I need. I always have my coffee, my water. I've got plenty of sticky notes. I also always set up my diffuser before I start my day. Today I'm gonna use bergamot, which is like an uplifting oil. Frankincense, which is really good for anxiety. And then we're gonna add grapefruit just because I like the way it smells. It's one of my favorites. And I'm also gonna get some music playing on my phone. For me, music is a big helper when it comes to concentration and keeping me calm. Today I need some relaxing music because I'm a little stressed about the whole plumbing situation. I'll show you guys on the screen some of my favorite playlists that I like, but today we're gonna go with the calming music album. And we're ready to get to work. Here's your reminder to drink water. I have this one that I got on Amazon. It's got times on it. See, like 8 a.m., 10 a.m., all this, and it goes all the way till the end of the day. And this is like 100 ounces of water, so it's almost a gallon. I like having this one at my desk because I don't have to fill it up at all. It's already filled up, ready to go, and I'll have my water for the whole day. Another tip I have is to use some kind of planner. It could be digital, but I'm old-fashioned. I like a written planner. I do it at the start of every day. I look at my to-do list for work. I time block my day. So it kind of goes back to setting your work schedule. I schedule pretty much everything. I give an hour for task 1, an hour for task 2, and I try to organize my day accordingly. They fixed it, yes. All right, it's not flooded anymore. We did get a wet spot in the carpet, so that kind of sucks. And I just have these here just in case it happens again, but we should be good. The maintenance guy was so nice. He said that since we kind of got the worst of the flood, he's gonna send someone to use one of those wet vacs on our floors since we got so much water damage. That was really nice of him. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. He said we were having that issue because too many people are using those flushable wipes that aren't actually flushable even though they say they are. I know that's what caused it last time, but he said it was the same thing again. And also we got like 6 inches of rain last night, so he said that probably contributed to it since the pipe's underground, like the flooding, I don't know. He said he's also going to try and get the county people to come out and take a look at it, that way to make sure this doesn't happen again, which I really hope he's able to do because I do not want to deal with this anymore. It's helpful that I get these reminders on my Fitbit, so it tells you how many steps you need for the hour before the hour's up. So it's 9:50 right now, so since it's about to be 10 a.m., my Fitbit's reminding me like, hey, get up and walk. So I'm gonna do that. This is also around the time I usually take a break. I might get a snack. I'll spend some time with the boys. I'll use the bathroom now that I can. And yeah, I'll just walk around and get some steps and probably get a snack or something. Try to limit the time that I'm on my phone to only when I'm taking my 10-minute breaks or on my lunch break. That way, while I'm working, I'm not distracted. A good tip is to put your phone on airplane mode if you can. I personally can't because I use my cell phone for work, but I at least turn off my mobile data and my Wi-Fi so that the apps don't distract me. I can still have texting in my phone, but Instagram is a big distraction for me. So I have to limit myself into my little chunks of time that I blocked off for myself. So just another tip. Look who came to join me. He always tries to eat my pens. Can't eat that. Alright, time for lunch. I usually try to meal prep my lunches. You guys saw in my previous vlog that on Sundays we usually meal prep for the week, but this Sunday we did not. Honestly, it was mostly because we have a lot of stuff in the fridge that we kind of needed to use up. So this week's gonna be kind of like a leftover week, or using up what's in our fridge before buying new things to meal prep. Next week though, I really want to try this new recipe I found. It's like air fryer honey garlic chicken. I'm gonna try that next week and I'll film it for you guys so you can see. But this week I'm just having, whatever I can throw together from what's in the kitchen. But meal prep is definitely helpful and I recommend it because that way you can really enjoy your lunch break and you're not spending half of it like trying to cook something and put something together. It's already ready, you just pull it out, microwave it, and then you get more time to do whatever you want, which for me is to watch YouTube videos. All right, it's 1 o'clock, time to go back to work. Look who's home.
Hey guys.
It's about 1:30. He usually gets home earlier, but on Mondays he has to go in later.
Yeah.
And he came with mail and packages. All right, work's almost done. I'm gonna eat this snack. It's a Think high protein bar. It's got 20 grams of protein, 0 grams of sugar. The brownie crunch is where it's at. We're gonna work out when I get off, so I wanna make sure I eat a snack now. That way I'm not starving and before we start to work out. So I'll catch up with you guys in about 40 minutes or so. All right, finally off work. Josh is getting changed now. We're gonna go for a walk. That way we can get out of the house for a little bit. Well, especially me, because I've been cooped up all day. I really like to do some kind of exercise or some kind of activity that kind of gets my brain from work mode out of work mode. So for example, for us, it's usually working out. So we'll go for a walk or we'll do a workout at home. Before the, quarantine situation, people go to the gym. I know not everyone can work out every day after they get off work, but you should at least, I think, do something that's going to help you turn your brain off of work and into something else. So it could be as simple as taking a shower or watching a TV show or being on your phone. It could be anything. Yeah, that's the last tip for this video actually, is when your work day is over, make sure your work day is over. You turn off your work brain and you transition into, something that's more for your personal life. For us, it's physical activity today.